Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open Play Store and search your Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see that my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Instagram application and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner and click on three bars in the top right and click on settings, and here you need to click on the account option. And once you are here, you simply need to click on switch account type, and you need to switch your account from personal to professional or creator account. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on the plus icon and select any post and click on next. Click on next again, and then you need to click on tag people, and here you can see the option of invite collaborator. That option is showing because I update my Instagram and my account is also a professional account. So this is a process by which you can fix invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.